Are you searching for a fun and easy way to make a little extra cash just by playing games on your phone? Imagine turning your gaming time into real money without any complicated steps or hidden fees. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, want to earn while relaxing, or just love discovering new ways to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how you can actually get paid for doing something you already enjoy, playing games. That's right, today I'm sharing a completely free app that's paying real people real money, straight to their PayPal accounts. No tricks, no gimmicks, and no need to spend a single cent to get started. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm always sharing the latest and greatest ways to earn money online, and you won't want to miss out on any new opportunities. And while you're here, drop a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from. I love making videos that are tailored to my viewers, so your feedback really helps me bring you the best content possible. Alright, let's get into the details. The app I'm talking about today is called MoneyWell. It's quickly becoming one of the most popular ways to earn a little extra on the side, and for good reason. MoneyWell is totally free to download, available on Android devices, and has already racked up over 10 million downloads worldwide. That's a huge community of people just like you, earning while they play. With a solid 4.3-star rating from nearly 600,000 reviews, it's clear that users are loving the experience. People are sharing their success stories and positive feedback every day, which is always a good sign when you're trying out a new app. So, how does MoneyWell actually work? Let me break it down for you step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, head over to the Google Play Store and download MoneyWell. The installation is quick and easy, and you don't need to worry about any hidden fees or complicated sign-up processes. One of the best things about MoneyWell is that there are no in-app purchases, no deposits required, and best of all, no annoying ads popping up every few seconds to interrupt your gaming. It's a smooth, hassle-free experience from start to finish. Once you open the app, you'll be greeted with a huge wall of games to choose from. There's something for everyone: arcade games, adventure, casual strategy, and more. You can try out new games, discover hidden gems, and never run out of options. And the best part? The game selection is always being updated. New titles are added all the time, so you'll never get bored or feel stuck playing the same thing over and over. Now, let's talk about how you actually earn money. This is where things get exciting. Every minute you spend playing games through money. Well, the app tracks your playtime and rewards you with tickets. The more you play, the more tickets you earn. It's that simple. These tickets can then be exchanged for real PayPal cash or a variety of popular gift cards. You get to choose how you want to be rewarded, making it super flexible for everyone. Some games offer higher ticket rates per minute, so if you want to maximize your earnings, be strategic and pick the games that pay out the most. It's a smart way to boost your balance even faster. Want to earn even more? Invite your friends or family to join using your referral code. Every successful referral means bonus tickets added to your account, so you can reach your cash-out goal even quicker. Once you've collected enough tickets, cashing out is a breeze. Just head to the rewards section, choose your payout method, and hit withdraw. Your money is sent straight to your PayPal account, usually within 2 days or even less. It's fast, reliable, and you can use your earnings however you like, no restrictions. Or, if you prefer, you can opt for a digital gift card from a wide range of popular brands. It's a great way to treat yourself or give a gift to someone else. So, if you're looking to turn your downtime into dollars, or just want a fun and rewarding way to earn a little extra, MoneyWell is definitely worth checking out. It's easy, free, and you can start earning right away. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried apps like this before? What was your experience? Drop your stories, questions, or tips in the comments below. Your feedback helps others in the community too. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome side hustle ideas and money-making tips. And remember, turn on those notifications so you never miss out on the latest ways to earn online. Happy gaming and happy earning. I hope you enjoy turning your playtime into real rewards. See you in the next video.